Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, December 9th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Please post attendance, teachers. Our Freeze Pop Friday for those showing already growth will be during PE on December 17th. We will also draw teachers' names for the growth prize on this day. Party Day, December 17th, will be a school-wide pajama day. Class parties may be held after 1 o'clock, except for pre-K. Grades, make sure that you are syncing your grades in PowerSchool regularly. Also, make sure you are printing your grade books regularly from Schoology or from PowerSchool, whichever one is correct. Reading PLT has been canceled for December. New date to be announced. Today's late duty is Miss Hogan. Tomorrow is Miss Granger. Stuff the Bus. Kate Shepherd students and staff donated almost 450 toys for the toy drive. Way to go! That is awesome. Thank you for spreading Christmas cheer, students. You did an awesome job. The word of the day is sum. The sum is the answer to an addition problem. This addition problem is 453 plus 929. That equals to 1,382. So the sum is 1,382, the answer to an addition problem. Important dates. Today, December 9th, is the spelling bee at 1 p.m. December 10th, the toy drive participants can wear a Christmas shirt and jeans. Also, door decoration day and St. Jude's pizza party for 4th and kindergarten. December 15th is PST for grades 3 through 5. December 17th is the deadline for partnership conferences. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Shepherd Scholars.